Hi guys, welcome to Pagapaiva channel. In this video, we will talk about handling uncertainty in procurement using Excel. In last video, we have already talked about handling uncertainty using Monte Carlo analysis in Excel. We have used an Excel add-in Yasai. If you have not watched that video, we have given the link in description. Please go and watch that video so that you will have an idea about that. Now, in this video, we are not going to use any Excel add-in. We will be using what if analysis feature in Excel, and we will do the simulation here in Excel itself. Before going ahead to Excel, I request you to subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed and click notification icon. A procurement professional has to manage so many uncertainties. The first and foremost thing is the raw material price fluctuation. Here in this business problem, a procurement manager has to purchase a raw material which uses zero point 0.3 kg of copper in each and every component of it. Currently, the copper BME is around 790 rupees per kg, but we know the truth that it fluctuates like anything. Tomorrow it may be 800, 820, or it may drop down to 850, sorry, 750 or 760. So this is one of the uncertainty. The other thing is the forecasted demand given by the sales and marketing team. Right now they have said 70,000 is the business requirement, but they are sure that we will get a business of minimum 50,000 quantity and we can reach up to 120,000. So this is another one uncertainty which can go either way. So it may reach 120,000 or it may drop down to 50,000. So either way. The supplier has offered some discount to the procurement professional that if you are buying 50,000 numbers of this copper component, you will get 3% discount. At the end of the year, he will give a credit note. And if it goes beyond 1 lakh, he'll give 5% as a discount, which is a volume-based discount, which many suppliers are doing these days. So now the procurement manager has to consider both the uncertainties. He has to calculate what could be the minimum and what could be the maximum spend the company has to make in buying this copper component. And one thing I want to make it clear, this discount is only on the conversion cost of rupees 150 per kg for conversion freight. This discount is applicable only on the conversion cost. Now going ahead, calculating the mat cost, it is very simple. Copper price multiplied by quantity multiplied by 0.3, which is the copper requirement per piece, which is going to be around 165 lakhs. Now going ahead with conversion. For conversion, we will be getting discount. So we have to use a if formula. If the quantity is above 1 lakh, then conversion cost into quantity into 1 minus discount percentage into 0.3, comma, if this quantity is above 50,000, then conversion into quantity into 1 minus 3% into zero point 0.3. If not, then there will not be any discount. Only thing is the conversion cost, quantity, and then zero point 0.3 will be applicable. So around first 70,000, this is the value, around 30.55 lakhs the company has to spend for the conversion cost. Now we will use what if analysis to do the uh, uncertainty analysis in Excel. See, let us assume that the copper price fluctuates between 600 to maybe somewhat around 1100 probably. So I am taking this value up to 1100. So this is done. This is our copper BME could reach up to that. And already the sales team has confirmed that minimum 50,000 they will bring business. So 50,000 is the business. And then we will keep a gap of around 5,000 for our simulation, and the maximum you can go up to 1,20,000, which is the maximum commitment sales and marketing team has given. Now we are going to simulate the total spend. Put equal to and select this value. Now it's going to be much more simple. So in between I will be adding 790 to verify our answer. 70,000 is already available, so I no need to add 70,000. Select the entire table. Go to data. Go to data and go to what if analysis, then data table. So there will be a data table option will come up. There are two uncertainties. We have to select the uncertainty. The row input is here. The row input is the demand, and the column input is copper BME price. Just select these two options and click OK. Just see, Excel has immediately given you the result. It has not taken so much amount of time. Within a click, Excel has given you the answer. Just to verify, as I told you, for 790 and 70,000, which is this value, is actually matching. So this is your verification value. But above than that, if copper price reaches 600 rupees and your demand is going to be only 50,000, the company has to spend around 1 crore 12 lakh 50,000 rupees. The maximum worst condition the company has to consider is 4 crore 47 lakhs 30,000 rupees. So in case if copper BME has reached up to 1100 and the sales team has did well and they have reached a demand selling demand of around 1,20,000 as they confirmed, then the company has to spend around 4,47,000. So by this, the procurement manager can able to access the uncertainty from which level to which level he has to take risk uh, in related to the procurement of this material. So here in this video, we have shown you two variable analysis in what if. But in case if a third variable of uncertainty, in case the copper is imported, then again a currency fluctuation will come into picture. So in next video, we will show you without using any Excel add-in, we will talk about more than two variable uncertainty using Excel, but that will be related to project management instead of supply chain or procurement. So keep watching our channel, subscribe our channel, like this video, do comment if you have any queries, and suggest if you want to have see some videos we have to post. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.